Me take a lead, me no follow backer. This is a message to all chopper. Stop take your damn scam money from the shatter. The sun hot, but them a make the country hotter.
Production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings. Viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness, I hope all is blessed. See, make up on the damn self, anyone there, hold up love and respect, give thanks to life. That's what I say. Be grateful. Each day you wake up, just praise, give praises to the Creator, you know? Yeah, man. There's enough people that live for say today, and enough people have it worse than you, so give thanks to life. Then, now my viewers and subscribers, in this episode there, I want to talk Vegas and Bun together. See, the reason why I'm touching on this topic now, you see me? On my way to work today, when I'm bridging a drive and pull up on me and say, yo, Lion Foot, I'm going to see you touch a topic there. Boy, you're artist. You can't come back here now. So I say, who that? I say, Bounty Killer. I don't know. I talk highly of Bounty Killer. When I feel like I'm wrong in a certain circumstances, I will state that. Zine, as I say, I deal with truth and rights and equality. So I say, yo, you're artist. And you think you can come back after that? I say, well, I say, Mr. Vegas. Thing of Mr. Vegas put out. Zine, the birth paper and baby mother business and thing. So first, before I start, I say, big up Bounty Killer, big up Mr. Vegas. Two icons. Zine, two icons of the business. Vegas, never met Vegas personally, but Bounty Killer, I've been around Bounty Killer several times, you know. I Kush him call me. He never call me DJ, he call me Kush. Zine. So, more time I then at the studio yard and thing, I don't know solid agency. Paid you, big up yourself. Killer that pull up more time now, you know? Kush, what I go on, if you're in the studio advice, and Kush, what I go on. I say, yes, General, big up. But true, I'm youth humble and quiet, that's my personality. That maybe if me have a more egoistic personality, or loud and vulgar and a pre-badness, maybe I would get a foot in the business right way, you know? But I don't know my personality, humble and real, and you know? And that's my personality that I can't change, you see me? Yes, I know more say big up Bounty Killer, big up Vegas. You know, recently Vegas come out with the bird survey ticket. First, it was King Mix Up first, I bring it out, then I say Vegas, and then other vloggers, you know? Now, not saying that right, and I'm not in the defense of Bounty Killer, but I don't know, that's Jamaica. That's Jamaica, I wouldn't say culture. That was embedded in the culture. Zine. And that I go on for years. Probably a local youth. Before we even born. You see me? That was embedded in the culture. I wouldn't say it's Jamaica culture. Zine, and would it be fair to say 75% or most of the man them do it? See, most of the man them. Most of the man them go out with all younger females. Including myself. Yeah, including myself, cause I don't know. When I say 70%, 75% men or even more. Correct me in the comment section, let me know. Zine? I have to include myself because when I was 18, 19, I was deeply in love with a 14, 15, you know. And that was the only person I've ever got with so young. Just some woman them at my age and, you know what I mean, older. Yeah. But most Jamaican men do it. The artists them, enough of them, cricketer, you see me, it's a stigma. It's a stigma that's embedded, planted, rooted in the Jamaica culture, and it will never change. Zine, because some of the parents them don't say nothing, some do, you see me? Because they're getting the money, and some say something because they don't uphold with it. No, my girl let me go to my girlfriend, who's now my baby mother. Big up Colleen, you see me? Colleen Clark, you know what I mean? Baby mother. She give me a twin baby, you know? I have two nice boys to me now. Zine. Yeah, but at that time, the difference with me, you know, I did have a conscience. Zine, if you say, yo, boom. She in a school, no pregnancy, safe sex. You see me? Yeah. I put my hands up. And I can't be a hypocrite in them, I have to be real, you see me? Most of Jamaican men them do it. And if you're in the garrison and I say rung bang bang, you're not gallus. You're a nerd, you see me? But that's the culture. That's the culture, you see me? It's just a thing we're embedded in a Jamaica system. Yeah. So for Vegas come out and do that now, I say my expose Bounty. The pregnancy part, yeah, maybe the killer could have used him conscience and say, yo, nah, get her, we should drop out of school or whatever. Me don't know if the birth certificate real, you know, because the brother will stop me Twitter and say it can be a fake one or doctor up. But let's say, for instance, it's real. See? Why Vegas I bring this up now and, you know, say, him have a writ against Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer have a writ against Vegas. They have nothing to do with me, and rightly so. Vegas have him reason why. You see me? And I said this before in a recent vlog. If a man try to tarnish my career or your career and for exploit you, you see me? And stop you from eating your food, you have all the rights to go back at him. Eye for your eye, tooth for your tooth. See? So you know, so Vegas say Bounty Killer try tarnish his career by putting that gay business on his name, you know. And a lot of people didn't work with him, refused to work with him, and I brand him as that. So Vegas have inventions up to today. So is this to get back? Vegas can get back at the killer by issuing out that to say, yo, when he was 21, he might date a 15-year-old and got her pregnant. Zine? And it all started because of Tanner Stevens' issue and Bounty Killer, different Tracy Stevens, and you see me? But it's just Jamaica culture. My viewers and subscribers let me know. I include myself in it, you know. Yeah. See, my baby mother now give me a twin. When me and her involved, she was 14, 15. I was 18, 19. You see me? And she get a whole heap of beating for me. Whole heap of beating she get for me. And her family, them love me and respect me. For some family, maybe they don't report it to the police and maybe me not get in trouble. But it's just Jamaica culture. And enough of the girls, them young girls, them love big man too. Enough of them flirt up themselves and the man them take advantage. Zine? Enough young girls. Me there at Jamaica and me there Friday party. Big up food man and me have video. Anytime I go to Jamaica, I always walk with my camera and my assets in. So I video the party on a weekly basis and this is what, 2010. See? And I see a girl coming at me and say, yo, you have a secret admirer. See him where? And I say, oh, you? And she said, no. And she show me, I say, where she there? And she said, yo, she send call here, you know. The cousins call, I send call here, and I say, oh, that. I look across and see her, I'm like, nice champion! And I say, oh, what? You see me, big up the man them, you know, say, yo, a woman look them, you know. Yeah. Anyway, I say, tell them I'm so forward, because I show me a video of the party. Video and I circle the party in the camera. Them time I have the Sony camera. See? Me did all I rented to Jack Sour them. Big up Jack Sour. You know Jack Sour, a veteran of the media entity. See? And at one point, I rent them my camera, because I have the camera where I use, my camera top of the line camera for film camera. And I rent them it. If you go do other parties, you see me? Yeah. So anyway, I circle the party and reach over and there. A video while I talk. You see me and share lyrics me. Say, yo, room, like, and every time I have my turban and thing. And you see me, so she love Rasta, man. boom, and I start link now, boom, bang, bang, and thing, and you don't know connection, bro. You see? Here to the show, our baby father is a top artist, Rasta man too. I'm not going to clue on the name, but he's a top artist, and when he got her pregnant, she was, what, 15? See? Because she had a daughter who was 10 at the time and she was 25. You see me? And when me hear that I meet her daughter, I say, Bombat, Charger. You see me? But again, as I say, the stigma there is embedded in Jamaica culture. Enough of the parents them allow it, I tolerate with it, enough don't. See? So bounty is not the first or the last, and it's still happen up to today's date. You see me? Still happen up to today's date. Enough teenagers are fall out of school, which I don't agree with. The man them flood it school as them and them going to finish school, and even if them involves you don't know. Wally, you see me? Them not get them pregnant, man, I make them jump out of school, man. Make them finish the medication and thing. That was the difference with my situation. You know? I never had it in my intention to do that. To spoil up my baby mother career at that time. I dropped out of school. She finished school, then she flew to America. I went to England. I will link up back and boom bang bang. Up to today's date, we still have love. We still love her. Still have a place for her in my heart. Even though we're not good there now. You see me? But yeah. That girl I respect and love so much. She give me a nice twin. See, so I can't be a hypocrite and say, you see me? I just try to talk fairly and, you know what I mean? Reason and a fair point. I don't know, I'm an opinionated person. I like to give my opinion. So, when you just touch upon the topic at the cars, the person, big up Mark, Mark, big up yourself, brother. You see me Twitter and pull up and say, yo, I'm going to see you touch a topic there. I'm sorry, I know I touch it and I give my views. You know. You see me? So basically, I say, yo, bounty can't come back on. It's not a crime. It don't happen, but why me? I think it's very petty and belittling. Petty from Vegas. To come with that now, you think that's the only way you can get to bounty and bring down bounty killer. I remember, I'm not in defense of bounty killer, you know. But I say, why bother bring that up? You know, why bother bring that up? But I don't know, each man to their own, and you know, everybody different still, but yeah, I'm not saying it's right, you know, by getting her pregnant, but the older men them dating the younger girls them, you see me? It's a stigma, and that are going for a long time. Well, the man, 14, 15, you see me? Anything younger than that, a prison. You see me? But, and I'm not saying it's right anyway, 14, 15, but as a thing we are going to Jamaica for years. Some parents agree with it, some don't. My viewers and subscribers, I would like to hear your comment and feedback on this topic. See? So, the brethren to them, Mark, I say, you're bound to need to come out and address it and answer and talk, you know? I don't know if fans would like to see him come out and address the matter. But I saw it go. Big up Vegas, big up Bounty. You see me? Yeah. You know what I mean? It's a stigma. It's a stigma that's painted in Jamaica culture. Remember Cartel sing about teenage pregnancy and them band a song there. You see me?
Win or lose, I love it.
Enough of the artists them now, what the Jamaica now, I work off the young girl them. You see me? But as I say, some parents put up with it, some don't. You see me? We have a brethren over here, England, you know. You know England different. See, you might go to that underage girl and the mother wasn't saying nothing. People are talking at the street, yes? You see me? Where do him come from? You see me I say? When the fire start getting red pan him now, when him go get her pregnant. She was still in school, underage, got her pregnant, and she got hospital. And when she got hospital, the nurse and the doctor them say, hey, who's the father? You're underage, She pregnant. Police got involved. He got arrested, and that's how he got deported. You see me? I don't know, Jamaica different from foreign country. See? But me just I do this to say, yo, it's, you know, it's a stigma. Older men going out with younger girls is a stigma, and it's not gonna stop. You know what I mean? I'm born to kill her. If the age paper is real, you see me? If it's just say it's real, you know what I mean? The pregnancy part, now maybe the killer could have tried to manage that or avoided that the pregnancy part, but you see me? Older men going out with younger younger girls is a thing we embedded in Jamaica culture. Some of viewers and subscribers, make me know what you think. You see? And once again, big up Bounty Killer, big up Vegas. And I don't know, I love me saying unity, and we know so Bounty and Vegas now would never become friends. All when time them leave Earth, you see me? But I just saw it go, and I don't know, unity start. Big up on yourself. My viewers and subscribers, it's another vlog I read when I boss now brag. I would like to hear your opinion on that. I remember I tell my truth, so I have to include myself as, you know, one of those men who went out with a younger age. Is it? Big up my baby mother once more, Colleen Clark. You see me? Big up my youth, them Eden and Jayden. Big up my mother-in-law. You see me? Claudette. You see me? Big up Miss Dimple. You see Lincoln. Yeah, man. I want to love my unity, man. You see me? I say? Yeah, man. Lion foot in another vlog. Big up. Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone. Walk good. I'm out. God bless you.